Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we dive into the fascinating world of technology. In today's fast-paced world, our mobile phones have become more than just devices. They are, they are our constant companions, enabling us to stay connected, informed, and entertained on the go. But have you ever wondered how these incredible gadgets actually function? Join us. We delve into the fascinating world of mobile function. Welcome, Tech and Sisters. Then today we are going to explore the inner workings of mobile phones and understanding the magic behind their functions. Mobile phones have evolved into powerful mini computers that fit right our pockets thanks to a combination of hardware and software components. Let's start with the hardware. At the heart of every mobile phone, we have a powerful processor, often referred to as the CPU or SoC system on clips. It handles all the calculations and executes instructions, allowing your phone to perform various tasks. A companion, the CPU, we have the RAM or random access memory. The temporary storage enables your phone to run multiple apps smoothly, switching between them effortlessly. The display or screen is another essential hardware component. It allows you to interact with your phone, view content, and navigate through various apps and menus. And let's not forget the battery, the powerhouse that keeps your phone running. It stores and provides the necessary electrical energy to power all components and functionalities. Last but not least, we have the camera. Mobile phones have become our go-to device for capturing precious moments, and the camera technology has advanced tremendously. From high-resolution photos to stunning videos, your phone's camera is a remarkable feat of engineering. Now that we understand the hardware components, let's explore how software plays a circle role in the mobile function. Software, especially the operating system, is the brain behind the scenes. It manages the phone's resource, provides a user-friendly interface, and enabling you to access the multitude of applications. Speaking of applications, they are what make your mobile phone truly versatile. From social media and messaging apps to productivity tools and entertainment option apps, and add a world of functionality to your fingertips. The seamless integration of hardware and software is what allows your mobile phone to perform a wide range of functions. Whether you are browsing the internet, streaming video, playing games, or using navigation services, your phone is designed to cater to your needs on the go. From staying connected with loved ones, capturing memories, accessing information, and managing our daily lives, mobile phones have become indispensable tool in our modern society. So the next time you pick up your mobile phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology that enable it to function seamlessly. Mobile phone have revolutions the way we communicate, work and entertain ourselves, and the possibilities for the future are endless. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of mobile function. We hope you enjoyed learning about the hardware and software that power these amazing devices. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the incredible capabilities of your mobile phones. Stay connected, stay empowered, and embrace the wonders of mobile technology. Until next time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Stay mobile, stay amazing.